Hi guys, welcome to Digital Masters Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Analytics inside your WordPress website. Okay. Feature of having Google Analytics inside your WordPress is you can track traffic on your website, you can track activity of the user, and also you will have an audience report like this. Okay. First, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard. Okay. Then go to Login, then Add New. This is how you install Google Analytics. Let's search for the plugin. So switch Google Analytics dashboard for WP. Okay, this one. Let's click install now. After the installation, let's activate. Okay. Once the plugin is activated, we'll now have a Google Analytics settings right here. And let's click authorize plugin. And after that, you need to log into your Google Analytics account. Okay, go to your Google, search for Google Analytics. This one, let's click this. Okay. If this is the first time, you need to sign up for Google Analytics. Okay. After that, you need to go to admin. Okay. I already set up my Google Analytics account, but this is what you do. Okay. You need to create an account and you need to fill out this form. Your preferred account name, your website name, the URL, select category, country you are in for the time zone, and get tracking code. Okay. After that, you can go back to your WordPress dashboard and get access code. It will require you to sign in. Okay, here's the access code. Okay. Let's copy this. Then paste this here. Then save access code. Okay. After saving the code, you will have the data on your WordPress dashboard about your website. It's here. There. So the Google Analytics dashboard. It will show you the session users, the page view. Okay, that's it. That's the quick tutorial on how to install Google Analytics inside your WordPress dashboard. Okay, thank you.